One thing I always say is work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, then you may be working harder. So let's change that. Download the app, link your accounts where you can manage your income, track your expenses, and project your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download Solo and begin to work smarter, not harder today. Link is in the description. All right, let's get back to it.
Okay, what do we have? Oh, we have a person that's making
we got
money.
Boston Ironman's update. How is he doing?
Mid-year
I
update.
don't know if Atlanta Ironman can keep up with
Atlanta
the Boston
Ironman has gotten kicked his ass. He's gone. So, Raphael, are you here, Raphael? So Raphael said, well, first of all, Raphael is going to pilot school. It's $140,000 a year. He's about to get his pilot's license, and we showed some of his pictures. So when you said driving 90 hours, this and that, actually, Raphael is driving less and making about the same amount of money. Well, he's still driving 80 hours, not 90. But, so here's Raphael's numbers. This is Uber's tax summary, so you guys don't fucking say this. We made this shit up, okay? So January on Uber, 8,055. That's after Uber's take, okay? This is Raphael's pure gross. Now you have it. Car expenses, fuel expenses, insurance, blah, 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 blah. So next one is February. What is that? 9,155. Let's go to the next one. I think that I put it in order. This is for March, 11,921. Or was it 12,921?
No,
11,000.
So just shy of 12.
Just shy of 12. And then he took off, I think one of these months he took off like for 2 weeks, but let's go with that. $9,154.11. Okay. And then May, this is the month that he took off for like 2 weeks, went to Cancun for 2 weeks, $5,548. And come back strong in June, $11,379. This is Uber. So let's do a quick math. 11 and a half, 5.5 is 17. Go back one. That's 21. 17, 21 is 38. And another 17 is 55.
56. Yeah,
56. Okay. And then Lyft, another 8,100. 56 plus 8, 65. Let's round it to 65. So that's $65K in 6 months. Okay? Ooh. That's $130,000 a year, and I'm pretty sure he'll finish right about 125 to 150 range. That's his car. That's his mileage on his car. He drives a Lincoln MKZ, 310,775 miles on the car. And I take my hat off to Raphael, first of all. He is the man. He's the man, the myth, the legend. And I've put him on the channel, and I've written articles about him. But now he's 40, I think it's 43 or 47. I'm not sure how old he is. But he has a family. He has a child. He has a wife. He works hard. He plays hard. And now he's looking to career change to become a pilot. And his pilot school, I think, costs $140,000 or $50,000 a year. And well, he saved his money. He's done amazing. This is not, by the way, an anomaly. He's been doing this for like 6 years now. 125 to 150K a year, gross, right? Okay. And Raphael is probably the only driver, Chris, that I know of that pays taxes, to be honest with you.
Probably.
Yeah. He's over 100K halfway through the year. Well, no, 100K.
No, he's at about 65.
Yeah, 100K. He's net for him. Well, net gross for him is about 65. So 100K over from Uber, yeah, for sure. But then if you take Uber's part out, it's about 65. 65 plus 65 is 130. And I'm pretty sure he'll end up there. But he's doing something different. And, so yeah. Boston Ironman, my hat's off to you, man. I hope you do the pilot thing. I hope you change the career. I hope everything goes well. And yeah, I mean,
going from driving cars to driving people in planes,
flying people.
Hell yeah!
I mean, he's my man. He's a fucking my numbers. What about your numbers? Oculus 3474. Post it.
How are we going to post it? We don't know it.
Send it. No screenshot. It never happened. Send it to Sergio at Sergio at therideshareguy.com. I'll be happy to post it. Because
But
we're
that
looking for
that also
drivers.
goes to show you he primarily drives Uber.
Yes,
Because
he
if
does.
he only made 8 grand in 6 months on Lyft, and
Yeah.
he made 8 grand for most of the months or more on Uber, that
Yeah.
just goes to show you.
Yeah, the hustle is there. And so Raphael's story, if you guys don't know, he was a cook, line cook, or sous chef, or whatever you want to call it, in hot kitchens for 20 hours, standing on his feet, sweating his, what off
Rough
overtime
job.
and this and that. And then now he goes, Serge, this is a piece of cake. I was standing on my feet in 130-degree kitchens at 80 hours a week. Now I'm sitting in an air-conditioned car for 80 hours a week. I go, like, this is a piece of cake for me. So yeah, he's the man. He's the fucking true Iron Man. If there's another one of you here in the chat or a friend of you who does this, I would really, really like to interview him and know him, because it's commendable. So
Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if he is one of the top earners in the world.
look at this one. Look at this guy. That ain't nothing.
Oh, okay. What's your numbers? Did you make $16?
Yeah, I was like,
Are you the person that goes out and says, "Oh, I paid my electric bill. I'm going home now"?
talk is cheap. Talk is cheap. Okay, screenshot numbers or
Yeah.
Uber tax, summary like this, month to month, or it never happened. So don't come here spamming bullshit.
What does he drive again?
Lincoln MKZ hybrid.
No, not the car. I mean, what does he drive when he's driving?
Standard and X, not even comfort. Yeah, no black, no XL, no nothing, none of that. Yeah, he's the man. Oh, now he says, no, I meant.
Oh.
Oh, okay. So I thought maybe you're just going head to head with the Iron Man. There was an Atlanta Iron Man that just stood head to head for like a couple of weeks, and he was like, shit. Can't do it. Well, thank you, Levi. Much appreciated, man.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club, with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.